I'm frequently asked what I use in my routine, and we talk about actives a lot. But one thing I haven't spoken about much is about skin in perimenopause and menopause. And one of the things we know that's very beneficial to skin is estrogen. We lose it as we go through perimenopause and menopause, and something I've been doing for more than 20 years is this product. It's a prescription estrogen cream, conjugated estrogens. It's a vaginal cream, but you can throw away the applicator, and I've been using this for 20 odd years under my eyes, morning and night, for that long. And more recently, I've added something else. This is a 0.3% estriol cream. It's a great product with topical estrogen, no systemic effects. I've been applying it to my face, to my neck, and whatever's left over, I apply it to my hands. And I got this from an interesting site called Aloe Health, which would be a really useful tool for any of you who are in perimenopause or menopause to learn more about hormones and the skin and your body. And I urge you to start thinking about this when you're in your mid-40s. This will sustain you as you get older. You can't start these things very late in life and expect them to make material differences in your skin. But if you start early enough, you can see wonderful effects. So go online and look this up and start doing it now.